Well, look at here what I got today. Mr. 2001 one-ton with a 7.3 stroker. Won't crank up. Wonder what it's gonna be. First thing I did, I think was turn the switch on, see if the weight light worked. It did. Then I come over here with my flute and put it right there. And we're going to see how many amps the glow plugs pull. And so I turn the switch on and they pull about 100 amps, maybe more, 109.4, something like that, I don't know. Anyhow, the glow plugs are pulling, so it ain't that. And so I noticed the batteries were weak. I noticed they was about 2 years old. And I done had my butt whooped one time because of some bad batteries. Left here and went to the Ford place and they put 2 batteries in it. Made me get most embarrassed. So I put the scanner on it. And the scanner was telling me a 340 cam code. It's giving me a cam code and giving me a boat load code and so some sort of cam, something, KAM, I don't know what it is. Anyhow, I ain't paying no attention to none of that stuff. So put 2 batteries in it. The way I figure it, old strokers picky about batteries. The battery's 2 years old. Here it is, won't run. It's getting 2 batteries, whether it needs it or not. I don't care. It's gonna get 2. So we'll put 2 in it. Come up in here and clear the codes out. And I've been hearing y'all talk about it. Needed 500 pounds of injection control pressure. So I have my scanner all picked up right here where I can see that. Turn the key on. Of course it was at 0. Wait for the weight light to go off. Put the twist on it. Watch the meter. Look at that. It runs. Didn't do much. Just put 2 batteries in it. See what it is? I have this attitude. Sometimes you need one. I'm going to put 2 batteries in it where it needs it or not. I don't care. I ain't paying for them. My job, get it running. And I don't need to be putting a whole bunch of stuff on it I don't need. But, you know, let's start right at the beginning. You need to have a couple good batteries in it, right? So put them in there. I guess you could always take them back out. I ain't taking them back out. This man goes all over the world with this truck pulling them old big tank. He needs a couple good batteries. He ain't no mechanic, needs a tank maker. He got to go. Anyway, put 2 batteries in it. Did a little checking. Glow plug's pulling fine. It was in here last week, put a new filter in it. This is the one that the further you go, the weaker it gets. Probably gonna wind up in the gas tank one of these days. But not today. I got other stuff to do. I got one I put a fuel pump on and it still won't run. Spark plug's all blacked up. Done that too. Still won't run. But anyway, Mr. 7.3 back on. Alright. All I got to do. See y'all. I might have left out one thing. When I went to start it up, the motor might have turned over about twice. It was ready to go. Just want some battery. I could have charged them up. You know, probably got it out of here. Yep. Probably could have got it out of here. Probably got him in North Carolina and then he still need 2 batteries. You know what I mean? Just don't put some batteries in it. Quit playing with it. That's what you need to do. A stroker needs good batteries. Don't worry about what the scanner says. Clear that stuff out and start over again. Alright, I'm gone this time for sure. Bye now.